Okay, so the last part of the this whole roots of unity is solving problems using the roots of unity. So omega is a complex cube root of unity. Show that omega squared plus omega plus 1 equals 0. Now using that z cube equals 1, then we can write it z cube minus 1 equals 0. So I'm going to push up a little. This is what we call difference of two cubes, okay? And I think we've done this previously. So if you don't remember, go back and have a look at the previous video. So if I just put that into the formula for the difference of two cubes, it'll be z minus 1 and z squared plus z plus 1 equals 0. Now that means z minus 1 equals 0, or z squared plus z plus 1 equals 0. Yeah? So since omega is complex, as you can see, we can't factorize this straight away, and it's going to be complex. Why? Because it's going to have the discriminant will be negative. So you will have a complex, because 1 squared minus 4ac, it'll be minus 3, so you will get a complex. Therefore, then, push up a little, omega satisfies z squared plus z plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, omega squared plus omega plus 1 is 0, as we require there. Okay, now part B, I'm going to put the part B here, push it down. Part B was to simplify these. Okay, now from the top, from A, we know that omega squared plus omega plus 1 equals 0. So we can say, therefore, omega squared equals minus omega minus 1. Okay? Or also, I'm going to just put this on here, 1 equals minus omega squared minus omega. Okay? So we're going to use this, substitute into here and here. Okay, so let's do that. So that equals 1 plus 2 omega plus 3 minus omega minus 1. Push up here. 1 plus 2 minus omega minus 1 plus 3 omega. Okay, so let's tidy it up a little. What do we get? We get minus 2 minus omega. I'm going to put this as a round brackets. Minus 1 plus omega. So if you take that out, minus 2 omega minus 2 plus omega, you plus it and then take away. Now if I expand this one, I will get 2 minus 2 omega plus omega minus omega squared. Okay, and then I'll tidy up a little to be minus omega. Now these was what I was talking about up here. Oops, you can't see. Yep. So these I can replace it with 1, isn't it? So it'll be 2 plus 1, because that is 1. Okay, that'll be 3. So the answer to the simplifying the expression on the top is 3.